As the country continues to grapple with teacher migration, there is a call for teachers' colleges to do more to attract international students. The issue was raised at the Higher Education Conference at the Princess Hotel in Hanover. Kimberly Petty reports.
As the new school year approaches, an old problem prevails. Administrators are rushing to fill several vacant teaching positions as educators continue to leave the island in droves for opportunities overseas. Last year, a survey revealed that 49% of teachers who migrated or had intentions to migrate claimed their primary reason was low wages. Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Education, Dr. Catherine Troop, provided further details.
A number of international spaces want our teachers. They go to England, they go to Japan, they go to the United States, and sometimes create a crisis for us right here in Jamaica.
Dr. Troop is recommending that teachers' colleges adopt the approach used by Professor Andrew Spencer, president of the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, which speaks to intentional and international partnerships. She noted that while other institutions are seeing a decline in enrollment, CMU is reporting an increase in admissions.
No, we want our tertiary sector, our teachers' colleges, to look at how we can bring people into Jamaica to benefit from our program of learning so they can build their own skill set and their own people and leave our people alone so we can benefit from them right here.
Dr. Troop believes that once international students are trained here, it could ease the teacher migration problem.
So we want to export the excellence of our teachers' colleges into the global space and see how Jamaica can benefit from that in terms of building the synergies with international colleges and bringing home other programs that we need to modernize our sector that have already been built.
Kimberly Petty, TVJ News.